Look at this. Hey.
Oh yeah, well I'm the one that's gonna make the big change.
That's what I thought you got it wrong. I'm the one that's gonna make the big change over here. I'm the one that's gonna...
On your on that thingy there, right there.
Can I ask you a question though?
It's alright, it's alright. He's alright.
My friend, can we come inside? We want to go inside and spend money. Can we come inside and spend money? Honestly, I'm just. We want to go inside.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Give me a knife.
Oh gosh, she was, man. Yeah, she's
Good.
good.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I didn't do anything. I didn't fuck her. I didn't say anything. She was my friend. I didn't do anything. She was an idiot. I know.
Okay. How you doing?
And I was like, what the fuck?
They're actually like that.
But before that, she was a deadbeat. She just sat there texting and that. And then I was
really?
yeah, I was saying she's a deadbeat to Tom. And then all of a sudden, she came out with this.
Wait. So she was Tom's chick, and then she came over to you, and then gave you some zinc, and
She
just
gave me
So we're leaving Zero. My boy lost his phone. Some chick came over and pretended to be our friends. She took my boy's phone, went to the beach, and left it on the beach and pretended that she didn't steal anything. And then we had to call the police, which I can't show you, they're over there. But we called the police, and it's not until the police came that she admitted she stole my boy's phone. Ridiculous. Crazy. Why would we not be drawing attention to us? You're in a blacked out G63. It's their favorite, it's like the go-to for the Dubai police. Trying not to draw attention. You are the attention.